Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Orchids AI. In order to do so, here we are at orchids.app. And what is Orchids all about? Well, it is the AI full stack engineer, build prototypes, apps, and websites. And all you have to do is come here and just start typing in what you're looking for, and you can start using Orchids. Very straightforward. You're probably going to want to sign up. So here at the top right hand corner, you can do that. Let's take a look at the pricing. We have the free version. You get 100K tokens daily, up to 500K per month, one deployed site, community support. Then we move up to the pro for $25 a month, 2 million tokens per month. 10 deployed sites, website analytics, custom domains, code-based download, pay as you go. Then we scale up to the premium for $50 a month, 4 million tokens, and the ultra at $99 a month with 12 million tokens. So depending on what your needs are, those are your options. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. Don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. We've got some great promotions there for you to take advantage of. Also, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open up an account and $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area. Finally, check out our Discord. We'd love to have you there. We're building a community around AI animation. Come check it out. We've got some free resources there if you're interested in AI animation, get you started. And it's a good place for you to share what you're working on and get some feedback. Thanks very much. We'll catch you on the next one.